Have the bags.
We're going to the beach.
I have the bags there.
But first we need our Dunkin' Donuts. This is not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor me, go ahead. I like coupons. We got my hot cousin in the car today. She likes to be known as Nameless.
Her hot cousin and then her other ugly.
You don't like to be on camera, so.
Right,
Did you
Gabby.
put me on camera? You better
No.
not put me on camera.
Gabby, if you put me on camera, I'm gonna throw that camera out the fucking window.
I just said, I had to quote myself, that this camera is just, it takes beautiful photos. Like, it doesn't compare on my iPhone, because like me and my cousin took one. I'll post on my Instagram, which is down below right here. But seriously, like, we just took one, and she hates pictures of herself. She was like, yeah, it was like the quality on this thing is like, you can't see the ugly. And then I take the iPhone out and you're like, holy shit, I need to pick a filter. But I think we're like a half an hour away, and this is my first beach experience, so I'm like really excited. I gotta take my beach virginity away. We made it to the beach, and it's my first time here.
Go taping yourself.
Shout out to my healthy salad. Look at this. This is actually kind of like decent looking for sheets. I got a chicken salad, and there's honey mustard on the side and dried fruit bread. I'm trying to eat like healthier lately, and fun fact, my cousin said to me that I look like I'm filling out and I look like thicker in here, and like I kind of want to be a thicker girl. I mean, I like being skinny, but like in here I like looking thick and like kind of in my stomach, to be honest. I really do though. So I'm gonna have some lunch and probably go back in the water then and take some pictures. This isn't a waterproof camera, so you're welcome. Oh, here's a big one coming. Look at the wave coming. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I'm insane. I'm insane. Looking bougie. Vlogging like a champ. Oh wait, Zoe's on a ride. Waving. And there's a big ass chicken over here. Look at this chicken. Oh hey bitch. Shout out to Danielle because she's a Marilyn Monroe fanatic. But no, like we're trying to get drinks at some point, hopefully. And I didn't film too much on the beach just because, like, you know, water, camera, not good idea, but yeah. Are you scared? Yes, she is. Don't lie. Don't lie. She is. She's looking at my cat. There she goes. She's like, yeah. It's like this sucks. Look at that. Alright, I'm going on the Pirates ride with Zoe, so that's gonna happen.